Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to backup and restore your Windows 7 registry. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward and quick tutorial for you guys. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in Regedit. Best match underneath Programs should say Regedit. You want to right click on that, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. So now you want to left click on computer, make sure you've had that selected. Then go up to the file tab by left clicking on it one time. Left click on export. And now you want to name this backup whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it backup. And then I'm going to save it to a place I can easily access. So in this case, I'm going to save it to desktop initially. If you want to later move it to a USB flash drive for external media, which I would advise, you're more than welcome to do so. Now, at a later date, if you ever wanted to import or backup, just go up to the File tab at the top by left clicking on it one time, left click on Import. Now left click on the backup registry entry we had on our desktop or wherever your location is. Left click on Open. And if you get a registry error notification if some keys are opened by the system or other processes, do not be concerned because obviously the registry is currently in use, but for the most part your other entries should be backed up okay. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.